Here are some of the things that you're going to do to get a grade 9 in GCSE chemistry. Understand why you're doing calculations. Don't just do them. Conceptual understanding is key for problem solving in the exam. During my GCSEs, I never really knew what a mole was, and when it came to the exam, that caused some real problems for me because I didn't really get it. In order to be scoring those very top marks, you need to thoroughly understand every topic. Mind maps. I bang on about mind maps all the time, but they are so helpful, especially for GCSE science. Really great for specific topics. So for example, what I would do, I would have the main topic in the middle, and then I would have sort of little subtopics coming off the main topic, and then off these subtopics, very specific details about the subtopics. So for example, if I was doing electrolysis, I would have electrolysis in the middle, then the subheadings would be like anode, cathode, anion, cation, and I would write details about them. Like, what are they, how do they interact, things like that. Things like this, have arrows going around. It's really great to use mind maps in your active recall through blurting as well. You might want to try and recreate this mind map on electrolysis without looking at your notes. You want to know what is electrolysis, how does it work exactly. Actively recalling the information, knowing how things interact, write it down on a piece of paper, and then correct what you got wrong. This is so key for identifying gaps in your knowledge. I would recommend when you're doing active recall, when you're doing these blurts, aim to do like a page of a CGP revision guide at a time. CGP have fantastic condensed information and they're so great for revision. However, they're not the best if you're trying to learn something for the first time. You'll know what I mean if you've ever seen a CGP revision guide. It's just flooded with information and it can be quite overwhelming. However, in your revision, it provides a very condensed overview of topics and it's very helpful. Past papers. Exam technique is so important, especially in the longer answer question, but also in the mathematical question. You want to be able to score the highest marks possible on every question. If this means showing you're working in a particular way, answering a question in a particular way, the way in which you learn how to do this correctly is through practice. And there is no better practice for the exam than the exam itself. Use past papers in your revision. They're helpful for identifying gaps in your knowledge. They're great for learning exam technique, and also really great to practice your time management skills by doing past papers under time conditions. If you like this video, then follow for more GCSE tips.